In this second lesson of the 1000 phrases, we are seeing a scenario where you want to take a taxi. So you're telling to a taxi man that you want to go to the airport. So the first phrase is, I have to go to the airport. Airportku போகணும். Airportku போகணும். You can use the word airport, which is very commonly used, which is, though it's an English word, it's okay to use it. Airportku போகணும். Are you coming? You're asking the taxi man, are you coming? Varingala? Varingala, meaning, which also means, are you available to come? Varingala, are you coming? Are you coming? Varingala? Could you put the luggages in the trunk? You're asking the taxi man for help. You're asking, can you put the luggages in the trunk? That is, luggage எல்லாம் எடுத்து டிக்கில வைக்கிறீங்களா? Luggage எல்லாம் எடுத்து, that is, take the luggage and all, and dicky is a very commonly used word. It originates from some other language, which means trunk, the trunk of the car. Dicky, and in the dicky means dickila வைக்கிறீங்களா? Can you keep it? Luggage எல்லாம் எடுத்து டிக்கில வைக்கிறீங்களா? And as you get in, you're asking, please stop on the way. The reason could be you just want a small pause. Please stop on the way. வழியில கொஞ்சம் நிறுத்துங்க. வழியில கொஞ்சம் நிறுத்துங்க. That is, வழியில means on the way. கொஞ்சம், just. நிறுத்துங்க, stop. வழியில கொஞ்சம் நிறுத்துங்க. Let me buy some water. தண்ணி வாங்கிக்கிறேன். தண்ணி வாங்கிக்கிறேன். தண்ணி வாங்கிக்கிறேன். Could you stop for 10 minutes on the way? வழியில ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம். ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் means for some 10 minutes. வழியில ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் நிறுத்த முடியுமா? Could you stop? வழியில ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் நிறுத்த முடியுமா? Are there any shops on the way? போற வழியில கடை ஏதாவது இருக்குமா? போற வழியில means on the way. கடை ஏதாவது, any shops or something? இருக்குமா? Will it be there? போற வழியில கடை ஏதாவது இருக்குமா? போற வழியில கடை ஏதாவது இருக்குமா? It is there near the toll gate. I'll stop, sir. So the taximan says, it's there. There's one near the toll gate. I will stop. So, toll gate கிட்ட இருக்கு. Toll gate கிட்ட means nearby. இருக்கு. It is there. நிறுத்துறேன், sir. So it's very common people using the word sir. Toll gate கிட்ட இருக்கு. நிறுத்துறேன், sir. Can we reach on time? Because you're worried that we are running short of time. So you're asking, can we reach on time? சரியான நேரத்துக்கு போயிடலாமா? சரியான means the right. நேரத்துக்கு at the time. சரியான நேரத்துக்கு போயிடலாமா? Will we be able to go? Or will we be able to reach? சரியான நேரத்துக்கு போயிடலாமா? Will there be a lot of traffic on the way? வழியில ரொம்ப டிராஃபிக் இருக்குமா? வழியில ரொம்ப means a lot of. Traffic இருக்குமா? Will it be there? வழியில ரொம்ப டிராஃபிக் இருக்குமா? Go slow. மெல்லமா போங்க. மெல்லமா போங்க. Go a bit more faster. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் means a little more, a bit more. வேகமா போங்க. Go faster. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேகமா போங்க. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேகமா போங்க. Will there be anything available to eat nearby? சாப்பிட இங்க பக்கத்துல ஏதாவது கிடைக்குமா? சாப்பிட means to eat. இங்க பக்கத்துல, here nearby. ஏதாவது கிடைக்குமா? Will anything be available? சாப்பிட இங்க பக்கத்துல ஏதாவது கிடைக்குமா? சாப்பிட இங்க பக்கத்துல ஏதாவது கிடைக்குமா? Is there any restaurant nearby? Hotel ஏதாவது இங்க இருக்கா? Hotel. It's very commonly used word for restaurant. And people say hotel. Is there a hotel nearby? It can mean a place to stay, or it can also mean a place to eat. So, but more, I would say commonly used is when people say hotel, they more mean a place to eat. So, hotel ஏதாவது or hotel ஏதாவது இங்க இருக்கா? Is any hotel nearby? Even a coffee or a tea will do. Coffee tea kodam podum. Coffee tea kodam means even a coffee or a tea podum will be enough. That will do. Coffee tea kodam podum. Please push back the seat. Seat konjam pinnaadi thaLLungE. Seat konjam. Konjam means just, or that's a very polite way of saying something. Konjam pinnaadi, backwards. thaLLungE, push it a little back. Push it a little backwards. Seat konjam pinnaadi thaLLungE. Seat konjam pinnaadi thaLLungE. It is congested here. Means you have no room for your legs or to keep your luggages or your extra things. You're saying it is very congested here. இங்க நெருக்கமா இருக்கு. இங்க நெருக்கமா இருக்கு. I've reached the airport, or we have reached the airport. So airport vandachi, which means it doesn't clearly explain whether it is I or we. It just said airport reached. Airport reached. We've reached the airport. Anything. Airport vandachi. Airport vandachi. Oh, is it so? Please park it inside. Park the car inside. That's the meaning. Appadiya means is it so? We have arrived. Ulla nirthunga. Park it inside. Appadiya ulla nirthunga. Let me get down. Let me get down. Na இறங்கிக்கிறேன். நான் இறங்கிக்கிறேன். Thank you so much. You drive good. You drive very good. That's the appreciation you want to give. ரொம்ப நன்றி means thank you so much. நீங்க வண்டி நல்லா ஓட்டுறீங்க. நீங்க வண்டி நல்லா ஓட்டுறீங்க. ரொம்ப நன்றி. நீங்க வண்டி நல்லா ஓட்டுறீங்க. I have uploaded several lessons in order of numbers. The different colors of the thumbnail denotes different type of lessons, such as green for short, useful beginner phrases, blue for conversation, dark or navy blue for tips and nuances, purple for grammar, etc. You can find that in my channel or just click the button up there to explore. I'll be making many more videos for you to learn. So if you have any suggestions or questions, please let me know. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like. All the best with your Tamil learning. Vanakkam, Varthakkal.